Lean printing offices really was derived from lean manufacturing, using very similar concepts. And the idea is to really look at the business and eliminate office waste, increase the efficiencies in the office area, reduce the overhead costs in the office area, improve pre-production and post-production workflow, so everything that revolves around production but not production, be able to better meet your customers' demands as well as improve the performance of your administrative areas. This has become a big deal the past couple of years because a lot of companies have downsized their staff, their administrative staff, and now people are being asked to do the same thing they've always done for years, except with less people, less resources. So if you think about the whole workflow and the business processes, we have sales, we have estimating, we have customer service, we have planning, we have purchasing. It takes all that just to get a job into production so you can start working on it. Then you got your production processes. And then you have, you pick back up with, doing the costing and the invoicing and all the accounting functions. And years ago, I think about, the old days, I'm going to show my age here, when we had light tables to do pre-press and we had 30 people cutting up film and stripping that down to Mylar. Now what do we have? We have 3 people and max in the pre-press department. The same thing's happening with the rest of our business and the presses. The presses are becoming more automated, and now you can do a make ready. It used to take 2 hours and 15 minutes, in some of these presses. So you have really less labor now in the production area, and now the administrative area is becoming more labor intensive. So if you think about all the steps and all the processes and all the people involved, there's actually a lot more involved just to get the job into production. In fact, if you look at all the PIA ratio studies, 32% of your value-added cost is administrative costs. And it may not seem like a lot. I mean, it's a lot, but the 68% that's your manufacturing, a lot of that is assets, equipment, and things like that, which you can't do so much. You're not going to replace $1 million press overnight, but in the administrative areas, that's all labor. So any efficiency you can gain in that area is pure profit. And think about that. So we believe that's the low-hanging fruit rather than lean manufacturing. I mean, lean manufacturing is important too, but if we could become more efficient in the administrative areas, there's going to be a lot of benefit.